Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Epic Games Launcher setup wizard ended prematurely. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now I'm going to show you a few ways how you can fix this. So for the first way would be to go to your Microsoft Store, open it up, and here you want to search for Epic Games and download Epic Games from here, and that should fix your problem. If not, then you're gonna go ahead and go to your local disk C. So this is the one, and you will see program files. So you want to open it up and find Epic Games, and you want to go ahead and delete the file. Again, go to program files, x86, open it up, and again delete Epic Games file if there's any. You want to go ahead to your task manager and open it up and go to startup apps right here. On startup task, you want to run a new task, and right here you want to write down a code. I'm going to leave it in the description for you. It is msiexec and e.exe. Then you're going to check mark, create this task with administrative privileges, and then click browse. After that, you want to find your Epic Games installer file. So that would be this one for me, and click open, and then click OK. And after that, Epic Games installer should start up. Go ahead, click install, and that's pretty much it. If this fixed your problem, make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, and I will see you next time. Bye.